make you a deal. I'll sit right here.
I'll make you a deal. You're going to give me your license and registration, or I'm going to pull you out of the car.
Listen.
You're not wearing your seatbelt, and that's an infraction.
I never will.
Okay.
I don't know. Then when you guys leave, I'm headed towards the end of the road.
Okay, I'll call a tow truck then.
On May 18th, 2025, officers were in the middle of a high-risk traffic stop when an unexpected driver nearly caused a serious accident. Instead of following commands, the driver became argumentative, making a tense situation even more dangerous and nearly getting himself arrested in the process.
Pull right there! Pull over! I know, that's why I'm stopping you! Stop! Pull over! Get off the road!
I'm trying to get to that exit.
You're gonna get on this shoulder and you're gonna sit there. Get over! Because you're obstructing traffic, I'm gonna take you to jail. Get over! Now!
You're gonna take me to jail?
Now!
I can't block traffic, man.
Yeah, and you're not now. You were. Stop right there. You're gonna tear up the interstate. Give me your license, your registration.
All I want to do is get off the interstate.
I understand. You see, we're conducting business up here, and we have somebody going to cause a crash or get us ran over. License and registration, please.
You would have just let me creep on by.
I can't let you run down the interstate on a rim.
I'll make you a deal. I'll sit right here.
I'll make you a deal. You're going to give me your license and registration, or I'm going to pull you out of the car.
Listen.
You're not wearing your seatbelt, and that's an infraction.
I never will.
Give me your license and registration.
If you sit behind me while I change this in about
I will
1.5
help you change it.
I don't
you're
have
gonna
one
give
with me. I'm going to have to go home
Give
and
me
get
your
it.
license and your registration.
There's that.
Registration, please.
That's the road. I've been looking at it for 3 miles. But I'm not changing this on the interstate.
Okay, then I'll tow it.
You what?
I'll tow it then. Wait here. He's giving all sorts of attitude, yelling, screaming, arguing with me. He wasn't wearing a seatbelt. I'm going to cite him. He said he's not going to change it on the interstate. He was going to drive it down the road. I'm going to cite him and I'm going to tow him. Okay.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Here's your driver's license. I issued you a citation for failure to wear your seatbelt and also driving an unsafe vehicle on the roadway. I issued you a warning for impeding the flow of traffic. You're trying to get in front of all these cars.
Yeah.
So, as all the way through Bartholomew County Superior Court, it's on the bottom left-hand corner of the citation. I've given you 30 days to contact the courts, let them know what your intentions are, if you want to contest the citation or if you just want to pay it. I'm also going to give you the opportunity to either leave the vehicle here and come back with a tire, or I'm going to tow it.
Somebody's on the way.
Okay.
But I want somebody sitting right there when this traffic takes off.
No.
Well, then,
Okay.
I don't know. Then when you guys leave, I'm headed towards the end of the road.
Okay, I'll call a tow truck then. There's your registration. So stay here, I'm going to call a tow
No,
truck.
I got somebody coming.
Okay, you just told me you intend to violate the law and continue to destroy the roadway, and we're not going to do that.
Hey, look, if that tire hit the pavement, it would make 2 skinny lines.
You may find this hard to believe,
Yeah.
but I have been a police officer for 14 years, okay? I know exactly what a tire does to the pavement, okay? It's not up for debate. I'm not here to argue with you. You can wait in your vehicle for someone to come bring a tire, or I can tow it. Those are the options, period.
Oh, that tire's going to be off, so...
Okay, Ricker, stay in your vehicle.
I'm taking that tire off, but
Okay,
I got somebody coming.
Okay, you want to cause problems, and you just told me you're going to drive down the road on the wheel. So these are your choices. Stay in your car until someone gets here, or I am towing it. Those are the options. Which one?
I think you need to go take care of what caused this
Which
accident.
Which one?
Somebody's on their way.
Okay,
So.
stay in the vehicle, or I'm towing it.
Why can't I get it ready?
Okay, first of all,
I need to shut this off.
I'm not going to have you rolling up here while we're conducting our business, okay? You've argued. You're driving. You're about to cause a crash. Okay? We're not going to do this. If you want to argue this, we can do that in court. That's what your opportunity is. Do you have any questions regarding the citation?
I have none.
Okay. Stay in the vehicle. Wait for help to arrive to change the tire.
So
if you step out of the vehicle, I will also cite you for failure to comply with traffic control devices. There is no parking, standing, or stopping on the interstate. You have no reason to be standing on the interstate.
I wasn't going to stop you. I wasn't going to stop.
I'm not going to stop you. I'm not going to cite you for stopping. But if you get out of the vehicle, you will be cited.
I would have been on my way.
Listen, understood? If you set foot on the interstate, you're getting another citation. I'm towing it.
That's the interstate. This is the safety lane.
Wrong. It's all interstate.
So I can drive on this.
So you stay right there, or I'm towing it, and you're getting an additional citation. Any other questions?
This is ridiculous.
Any other questions?
I don't have any questions for you.
Okay, stay in your vehicle. Shut your door. You're going to get taken off by a car.
I need to shut my hood.
You want to shut your hood? Stay inside.
If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.